Hello guys, this was exactly how I made over $400 in a single trade. I'm going to be walking you step by step how I was able to achieve these amazing results by using this simple strategy. Now, if this interests you, I want you to stick around to the very end of this video because towards the end of this video, I'm going to be dropping 3 tips that will help you scale your portfolio in 2024. Now, the first thing I want to do is to go over to the weekly time frame on any particular project. Now, we can see this is STX, all right? This is STX, USDT, and this is actually live, as you can see this right now. This is live. On the weekly time frame, I'm just going to be plotting my key support zones, and these are areas where we have multiple touches. You can see we have one somewhere around here, have one somewhere around here again, have one somewhere around here, okay. All of these areas are going to be fake outs. So after we've basically done that, let me just quickly put the curve. So these are basically fake outs. All of these are fake outs. It's a fake out because we're having rejection weeks from the upside. So that is one way you can easily know when a particular price action is giving a fake out. Okay, so we have our fake out here. Let's keep plotting our key support levels. Let's keep plotting our key support levels to be able to determine where all these rejections are coming in from. Beautiful. We've been able to successfully plot our key levels. Now, I want us to actually go back to the 1-day time frame to see what exactly is going on there. Now, this is the 1-day time frame. This is the 1-day time frame, and you can see price is currently at a key support level. Now, I want us to zoom into this area because this is where we're going to be trading from. Where we're going to be what? Trading from. Now, let me highlight a box around this. This is where price is at the moment. Now, take a good look at this. Can you see that we had a fake out? Just look at this. Look at this very clearly. Had a fake out. Look at where this line is coming in from. Look at our key resistance area here. Put this in red. I'm just going to put this in red so that you can see it very clearly. I'll take this off now. Okay. Look at our key resistance area. And look at what price did. Price did a fake out here. Price did what? A complete fake out. Let me take all of these ones out so that we know we're dealing with the 1 hour, with the 1-day time frame. Now, how do you know this is a fake out? Okay, look at this. Look at this very clearly. It's a fake out because when price broke out with high momentum, it could not contain the trend. Instead, it fell back into our trading range again. Now, our trading range is this area. Take a good look at this. This is our trading range. Trading range is this area. Now, because we already know that this is what price has done, trading this is going to be very, very, very simple. Okay, it's going to be extremely simple. We already know now that we're looking for short positions because our next target is definitely going to be back to this trading range. Show you what I'm saying. Next target is definitely going to be back to this trading range. So when price breaks through all those, when price breaks through this particular key level, it simply means that a lot of traders were doing FOMO, meaning they were scared, fear of missing out. So immediately they saw this green candle, this big bullish candle that you can see here, they opened buy positions. And guess what? They put their stops below here. And this is what price has done. It has come down to knock them out of the market, claiming their stop losses. All right, now, so what price is going to do? This is called capitulation. So price will come down, rally for some time, and then eventually it's going to break and fall down. You can see how it has retested this particular key level. Let's go to the 4 hours now. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, this is amazing. You can see price is already falling, and you're going to be seeing reversal patterns like head and shoulders and all of that. That is what you're going to most likely be seeing. Okay, now if you are used to trading SMC, which is smart money concept, you would agree with me that this has been mitigated. The price has been mitigated from here. You can see the break of structure, and then price has come back to fill up this particular order block. Isn't this interesting? Now price has filled this particular order block, and guess what? This is live. I'm showing you. Now price is going to fall down. First of all, it will take out this particular swing low. It's going to take out this low. So here is going to be our first target, TP1. Here's going to be our first target for TP1. Thereafter, we're going to be having other targets. Definitely going to be having other targets. Of course. All right, so if we go back to the 1 hour time frame, we're definitely going to be seeing the same thing, the same setup, the same setup. Nothing is going to change. Okay, nothing is going to change. We've had a purge here. This is a distribution model. For those of you who trade Wyckoff, this is called a distribution. So we've had the purge. Now the next thing we want to do is to swing this purge, because here is going to be a sign of weakness. So swing this purge here, this capitulation, back to the trading range. And this right here is one of the most amazing strategies on earth that you can trade. This is live. You can see it already happening. I didn't wait for this to happen before making a video. I'm making it live. You can see this is price action. It's moving. This is price action. This is happening live. So if you have opportunity to see this trade set up at the moment, it's something that you can key into and make some good profit for yourself. This was how I made over $400 in a single day just trading this particular setup. Now, guys, I told you guys I had 3 tips that I was actually going to show you and reveal to you towards the end of this video. So if you've been able to stick around to the very end, kudos to you. Kudos to you. And now, tip number 1 is to actually start your trading setup from the weekly time frame. Start your trading setup from the weekly time frame. Then go back to the daily time frame and then the 4 hours. Now, the reason you are doing this is to ensure that price is at a key level, because the institutional traders always focus on key levels. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, do not be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry to enter a trade. Allow trades come to you. Okay? Allow every trade that you make, let it come to you directly. You don't have to be in a hurry. There's no point trying to be in a hurry. Okay, just allow these trades come directly to you. right? Allow the trades to come directly to you. You don't have issues at all. Now, tip number 3, trade what you see. Do not trade what you feel. If you see a setup like this is a clear distribution. Trade exactly what you want. See, don't trade what you feel. The moment you start trading what you feel, you're going to be encountering a lot problems. This is a distribution model, and you can see clearly that price is going to move to the downside. In the next video, I'm going to be improving on this, and I'll be adding an indicator, a volume indicator called a VSA, volume spread analysis, that is going to actually give almost 100%. Now, this strategy is currently at 95% win rate, back tested. I'm going to make this become 98%. Then we know the only way we're going to be missing out on profits like this is if we don't take the trades, because this is actually too perfect to fail. All right, this is just too sweet to fail, guys. All right, cheers, guys. One love. Peace out. My mentorship program is currently ongoing. So if you actually want to be involved in taking amazing trade setups like this, like I do, I'm going to give you all that you need to become very, very profitable. Now, the very first thing I'm going to show you, I'll teach you trading psychology. That's number 1. You can't take that away from it. Trading psychology. Number 2, I'm going to be showing you the secrets of how I pick these particular projects on a daily basis. And number 3, I'm going to show you how I use total 3. This is total 3. I'm going to show you how I use total 3 to my advantage to know when it's the right time to be shorting or buying. This is total 3. It's showing us the total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum of the entire market. So I'm going to be showing you how I use these metrics to get accurate predictions on the market. Okay, you can see price is currently falling. I'm in this trade already. I'm over like 20% profits already. So I'm in this trade. So this is basically how we do it. It's not rocket science, guys. It's not rocket science. This is basically how it's done. So I'm going to see you on the inside of the mentorship, and trust me, it's something you don't want to miss out of any single thing. Cheers, guys. One love. Love you all so much. Peace out.